February the 1st. Sunday, I started to actually look for some jobs, like a part-time job. And I got one order on my Etsy. This is crazy.
What you doing?
Wait, this is kind of bigger than I actually thought. These are some boxes, smaller size, tissue paper, cute little stickers. This is the ribbon I'll be using when I package my small orders. It's gonna be a nice little box. So now I'm gonna have to see what it's looking like. These are the ones I've been using since day one to pack my orders. I'm gonna have some pink ones because I'm thinking Valentine's Day. Got a little bit something cute. It's gonna be like my freebies. I think what I'm gonna do for my freebie, like if you'd spend this amount, then I give a freebie. I might do that. And I wasn't planning on getting bigger. Oh, maybe it might be good. So, I'm about to put it together so I can see the size. Hopefully it gave me the right size. How to watch a video on TikTok to help me. Yeah, this is the size that I need. It looks like that because it was a custom order and I took it off my shop. My new necklaces I worked on, I might launch them for Valentine's Day. There's another bracelet that I haven't launched. Oh, that's so uneven. Like kind of look like 3D. I might have messed it up, but I can always try again. I just bubble wrapped the box so it'll be safe travels. I don't want nothing to happen. This is my first time using these bags. I want to make cups soon. Like an 8. I packed this Etsy order. So I did put some of my charms and rid of my materials. So I'm just grateful. I appreciate all the support you guys give me. This just feels different. I haven't had an order in over minutes. So yeah, these are all my charms I have. I should take this one out. I put all my charms that I have on my Etsy in here. And she got the blue stitch one. Like that. I'm actually gonna make some bead kits for you guys, so I'm gonna do that in this video. Plus you guys probably need some beads, or if you want to make bracelets, or you want to make jewelry, this will be for you. So like the shipping is what I'm worried about, because I have to pay the label. The weight of it does matter when it comes to shipping. So it's like it's a lot that you can fit in here. I kind of want to keep this for myself. I really hope you actually like the bead kits. Half of you guys been wanting. Yeah, I was kind of waiting for a good time to kind of do this in a video. Like, it looks like you can even take one out and then have more space like that too. So it's like a lot. I basically hooked you guys up. One piece of string. I don't think I'm gonna have enough to like put a string for each one. I'll see what I can do. Bye.